Hi YouTubers, it's Desi here and I am doing another fat freezer go at this. Okay, so it's been 2 weeks since I did my last video. I have used this once in between those 2 weeks, which is a week ago. So, and I used it for 60 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna set it on another 60-minute setting for fat freezing. And I'm gonna have you guys join me for this. As an update, like I said in my last video, I was going to go get cool cryo slimming. However, the people who are doing the cryo slimming at the specific spa that I'm going to have decided to no longer give that service, and in exchange, they're going to take the amount that I had purchased for cryo slimming and they're going to put it towards RF slimming. So I will be doing a procedure and you guys will be coming with me, but it will not be cryo slimming. But I am very interested to see how the RF slimming is going to work. So I'll have like 6 or so sessions of that, maybe up to 10. So you guys will see that soon. I'll let you know when my appointment is when I get it. And we're going to go ahead and put this on. In case you guys don't know, this is the fat freezer available at now multiple retailers, Target, Walmart, CVS. Some of them have that. If not, you can get this on Amazon. You can also get it directly from their website, which is fatfreezer.com. I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on that one. I already have everything that I need ready. I am in my recliner. I'm wearing a shirt, pants instead of like a whole dress so that I can actually show you it while I'm going and keep it PG-13. And I have I'm down to my last like 2. I got to order more of the glycerin pads, which I'm thinking I'm going to just do from either their website or Amazon. And before I get started, if you guys could please like and subscribe, I would appreciate it. And thank you guys. By the way, thank you so much. You guys helped me get to over 1,200 views on one of my videos for the fat freezer. And it's my highest number so far. And I mean, I've only been doing YouTube a couple months. So I'm very, very, very grateful. Thank you guys. And let's see if we can get this one to pass that. So again, fat freezer. We're going to put it on a 60-minute. I already have it plugged into the wall. I'm going to plug it into the unit, put on my glycerin pad underneath, and we are going to begin for 60 minutes. And we're going to freeze some fat. So I'm excited. So as was in the last video, I did some measurements. We're going to do some as well today. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera down. We'll also do the waist measurements as well. But I want you guys to see that I have already put this baby, ooh, this is like really bright, okay, over my abdomen with the glycerin pad between the unit and my skin, my bare skin. So this is just on my mid to lower stomach area. So it's already plugged in, and I didn't mention this when I did the unboxing, but there should be a blue indication light on the power unit box to let you know that the power is in fact connected to the main hole of the power device that will be surging power to your unit. Now, it's important that this is on because these can go defective if you use the wrong wire. See how this has a removable plug? If you were to use the wrong plug with the wrong wattage, there's a possibility you could short circuit this, and in case it won't work and you need to reorder a new one, or it could be faulty and you need a new one. But they're very important. Without it, it doesn't work. So I failed to mention that before, but covered it real quick right now. So I'm going to go ahead. You know what? I'm going to get rid of this pillow. Yeah, that's better. And I'm going to go ahead and I have a microphone on today. If you're wondering why I can hear me better, I've decided I have to have the microphone. They're just better quality than just the average speaker. So I'm going to go ahead and press the 60. I'm sure you can hear it. Ooh, instantly cold. So I am going to first, I have my Remarkable tablet, which I just love, right here. And I'm probably going to get some writing done while I'm here. So I will, of course, time lapse all of this so you don't have to watch me sit here writing while this is going. for the next 60 minutes. And then when it's done, we're gonna go ahead and measure the stomach, and then I'm gonna do 30 minutes on my chin, and we're gonna measure the chin as well. Okay. Softening, YouTube. All right, we're gonna remove this. I'm gonna actually take the cord out first. Get rid of this behemoth hot power box. And then but yeah, it's cold and red. I don't know if you guys can see all this, but this is my tummy. I don't know if you guys can compare it to the first video, but I feel like it's a little thinner. Oh, okay, we're gonna stand up for this, so I'm gonna scoot you guys back just a hair. All right, let's get the correct side. And my abdomen is gonna be a bit up. So we're gonna go with the waist, which is the smallest part of your tummy here. So we have the hip bones. We're going to go across and up from that. So was that like a 3, 6, and a knot? That's funny. 3, 6, 9. I'm fine. Hey, 18 divided by 3. Hey, 6. I feel like that is solid numbers. I feel like I didn't calibrate correctly because I didn't hold it from here the first time I did it. But I feel like 6 for my body fat is not bad at all. I'm gonna sit down and take my waist. Sorry, I don't like this. No, it's definitely 27 and a half. Actually, it's 27 point. It's actually 27.3. Okay, 27.3. That's fine with me. My goal would be have a naturally 26-inch waist without sucking in, and to suck in have a 24-inch. I was just sucking a couple inches. So you guys, keep checking in with me. I'm gonna keep you updated. I promise. I'll let you guys come with me when I do the RF slimming. It's gonna be super fun. And we're gonna see if that causes any other drastic results. But I have to go, you guys. It's been awesome. And before you leave, if you could like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I love the viewers talking to me and everything. And thank you again for the over 1,200 views on my first fat freezer and video. And let's see if we can get this one up there too. I really appreciate it, you guys. And I will see you later. It's been a pleasure. Bye.